soon as the neighbors heard of this, they collected all the ashes that remained, and having put them in a basket, the wicked old man went out into the castle town, and gave out that he was who had the power of reviving dead trees and causing them to flower. As soon as the neighbors heard of this, the neighbor, who was the old man's neighbor? The wicked man. The wicked man, after hearing the story of honest old man, the wicked man also collected all the ashes and went to castle town. There only prince was living. And in the town, in the street, how he announced to himself, he had the power of reviving the trees and causing them to flower. He also can make the reviving the trees and make them to flower. He had not to wait long before he was called into the prince's palace and ordered to exhibit his power. Exhibit means show. He also called by prince to show his power. What was his power? He could make dead trees into life. But when he climbed up into a withered tree and began to scatter the ashes, not a bud or flower appeared. After he climbed up into the withered tree, he scattered the ashes on withered tree. There is no bud or flower appeared. But the ashes all flew. Flew means past tense of fly. All the ashes fly into the prince's eyes and mouth, blinding and choking him. The ashes flew into the prince's eyes and mouth, made him blind. He was unable to see. And choking. Choking means breathe difficulty. He could not breathe well. That much the ashes made him blind and choking. When the prince's retainer saw this, retainer means guardians. Prince guardians saw this. They seized the old man. Seized means catch. Catch the old man and beat him almost to death. The retainers beat the wicked man, beated him almost to death, so that he crawled off home in a very sorry plight. Plight means very bad condition, situation. He could not walk properly, so he crawled off home. How he came to home? By crawled. He could not walk properly, so he crawled off home in a very sorry plight. When he and his wife found out what a trap they had fallen into, they scolded themselves. When he and his wife, Huandal, the wicked couple, found out what a trap they had fallen into, they scolded themselves. They fallen into a trap. Like that, they themselves scolded. The good old man and woman, as soon as they heard of their neighbor's distress. Distress means unhappiness. Good old man and woman heard their situation or unhappiness situation, neighbor's unhappiness, sent for them. He sent a man to call them, and after reproving them, reproving means warning, after warning the wicked couple for their greed and cruelty, gave them a share of their own riches. The good old man and woman called their neighbors and reproving them, warning them for their greed and cruelty. After that, gave them a share of their own riches. What riches? Which by repeated strokes of luck had now increased to a goodly sum. How they got the riches means in two times. First time, where the dog was parked, when they dig the ground, they got treasure. Second time, when they were using the mortar and ground the rice become into gold. Two times they got gold treasure. So, they gave the treasure to the neighbor, wicked neighbor. So the wicked old people mended their ways. The wicked old couple mended means corrected their ways. They themselves corrected. And led good and virtuous lives ever after. After that, the wicked couple lead, past tense, led good and virtuous lives ever after. After that, the wicked couple also lead the good and virtuous life. Okay children, this is the story. What is the moral of the story? Covertall, loss all. What is the moral of the story? Covertall, loss all. Perasai, perunashtam. Dear students, at any cost, we should not get jealous on anyone and should not be greedy. Greed is so destructive and it destroys everything. So, I ask you to lead a virtuous life. Okay children, thank you. Now, I am going to give the homework. You study and write this second paragraph and send me clearly. Okay children, thank you.